Hello students, welcome to Akshaya International School. So come to page number 72. I hope you are doing good. So today's session will see mainly three concepts. So based on whatever studied, what we have learned from the previous classes, so numbers up to 20. So we'll see project, fun to do and math lab activity, and we'll see in the next session, next chapter, new chapter, addition up to 10. So what is our project? Kindly complete all these activities and send it in our group. So project, what is that? Take toothpaste cartons of various sizes, arrange them according to height, use glue to stick the sides. So arrange like this, different sizes toothpaste cartons, the boxes, and the corner sides try to attach it by using of glue. Place small stones on each. So place one stone on each cotton box. The cottons will look like a staircase. So it is look like a staircase, that is steps. Correct? Yes, you can see here. Staircase with the stones going up. So from this side to we are going this side. When you look at it from behind, it will look like the stones are coming down. So if you see another side, so stones are coming down. So what is this project? It explains that. So it is explains that ascending order and descending order, or you can give the numbers also. If you want to give, you can give. So ascending order. So ascending means it is increasing order. Ascending means increasing order from lower level to higher level. So from right to left, if you go, that is ascending order. So it is smaller and somewhat bigger and biggest one. And if you come from this side to left to right, it is descending order. So please try to do activity project and send it in our group. Next one, come to page number 73. So here it is very interesting concept, fun to do. Bindi flowers. So let's take it a bindi flowers, or you can take it as you can take lady's finger also. Take an adult's help to cut a bindi into two. Fold a sheet of paper into four parts. So let's take four parts. How many you want to do? You can do with the 1 to 10 or 11 to 20, whatever your number. So take it into four parts. Let's take it A4 sheet. So in that four parts, write numbers like this. Which number you like, you can write it in the four boxes and write any one number from 11 to 20 in each part. So each part you have to write. Dip the cut parts in different colors. Press them on one part of the paper to make as many bindi flowers as the number in each part. So here 13 is there. So if you count these flowers printings, here 13 are there. Like that, here 16, here 11, here 15. Do that activity and send images in our group. And next one, math lab activity. So I'll explain briefly. So here they took 11 to 20 cards. So make cards and write numbers on each one and take buttons. So select any one number. Here they took 14. So 14 means they are arranged buttons. So here they are arranged buttons. So here 5, 5, 10, again 2, 2, 4. So 10 plus 4, 14 they are arranged. So arrange like this for 11 to 20 numbers and send that also in our group. So here 11 to 20, let's arrange and send it in our group. So first card and number, below that this arrangement. Next, value. Come to value, our last topic today's class. Ria collected money from her friends to donate the Prime Minister Relief Fund. So Ria collected all the money to donate Prime Minister Relief Fund, PMRF. You can call it as PMRF also. Rita gave 10 rupees, Nitin gave 5 rupees, Madhu gave 18 rupees and Ria gave 15 rupees. Write the amounts in ascending order. So write in ascending order, lowest to height, and descending order also. 5, ascending order I am telling, 5, 10, 15, 18. Then descending order 18, 15, 10, 5. So this is the way of writing the numbers. We'll see in our next class.